that was an amazing video to put together because everything just sort of fell in place organically and quickly. A director friend of mine who lives in Canada, he said he was going to be stateside down in Santa Barbara, and I asked if he could capture a video for this song, and then we sort of just in about the span of 2 hours were able to capture my portion of, on the beach. And then I called Puni and said, "Hey, how fast can you choreograph a hula to Sakura and film it?"
I know I had one of my kupuna there with me recording as I was dancing. And then at the end, at the ha'ina, I don't know if you noticed the anue nue behind. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow that came out. I just felt like, wow.
There's so much ho'ailona just kind of sprinkled throughout. There's the eel midway through the video. I mean, everything was just sort of fell in place. We pretty much got it all put together in the span of a week, and it was just like amazing. Then I was just so happy the way it turned out.